crowd of people and you're behaving like an animal. No. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Simple. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Ẹni tó bá ṣojú ayé tó dáhùn yẹn ẹ̀yin yìí náà lẹ́yìn máa padà wá sórí social media wá.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó ṣojú ayé kó dáhùn.
Ojú ayé yẹn wá dà.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó ṣojú ayé kó
Yorùbá
ojú ayé yẹn ló wà
ìtọ́jú. Ní kọ́ṣọ̀ mọ́ ni.
Ojú ayé yẹn ló wà ìtọ́jú.
Ara kọ́ṣọ̀ wà ní pé kíyàn náà kẹrí èèyàn kẹ́ẹ̀kí.
Kíyàn ọmọ Yorùbá ní
irrespective of our age. Téèyàn bá wà ń bì kókó jẹ́ ọmọdé nǹkan tí bá wọlé wá bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn. In our culture, mo ní láti sọ pé hello, hi. I'm a age party because culture will remain our culture.
That's the fact.
Part of our culture is greeting.
Salutation is not love.
The fact that I greeted you does not mean I want you to be my friend.
Yes, now just greeting.
It's a normal thing for me to get to somewhere. Hello, hi, good afternoon, good morning. Does not mean I want to be attached
mo fẹ́ bèrè nǹkan kan ẹjọ́ ẹ má bínú ṣé ní ibẹ̀ yẹn Tóyìn nìkan ni Jennifer Oki ni mo fẹ́ bèrè ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run and that's the more reason why you guys should think that there must be something to it. It's not must. Me, if ever shame, no niye. Woki mi go mi tell no.
No, Emma Binu, sister Zainab. Somebody, Emma Binu, I'm not saying Sherry, Emma Binu. I want to say something. This is my platform. I think when it is time, when I want to talk, she said something. When I want to talk, I think everybody should calm down and let me talk. I'm the host. Emma Binu, sister Zainab. No. So because of somebody, you feel like you don't want to greet somebody and your call Sherry kí n sọ kíni kan fún yín bí àǹtí Fúnkẹ́ bá fẹ́ bá Tóyìn jà ó máa dá lóhùn báwo ni ṣó wà ó ti tán ọjọ́ tó bá tún rí again ẹ káàsán báwo ni ṣó wà ó ti tán àǹtí Zainab kí ò kì í ṣe ìfẹ́ àǹtí Tóyìn rò bóyá àwọn embarrass àǹtí Fúnkẹ́ rò bóyá àwọn embarrass Tóyìn ní èní ni wàláyé ìtàlà ara wọn ni wọn embarrass wọn sọ ara wọn lẹ́nu tó ń sì wípé Tóyìn ṣe kinní kan Tóyìn ò ṣe kinní kan kò yẹ kó kí ló dé kí ló ń kí fún kinní kan dàbí ò ṣe dáhùn tí àǹtí Fúnkẹ́ bá dá àǹtí Tóyìn lóhùn tó yẹ kó dẹ̀ lọ síbẹ̀ kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn ò ní máa pe àǹtí Fúnkẹ́ láláṣejù àǹtí Fúnkẹ́ fúnra ara wọn ò mọ ìwà wù tí wọ́n bá níwà ni kí ló ṣe fún wọn wọ́n bá Akunle Afọlá ìjà mélòó ni Tóyìn ti jà lórí social media yìí tí àǹtí Fúnkẹ́ ti gbèjà Tóyìn wọ́n ti dá sí kí ni Tóyìn why do you want Tóyìn to fight your battles why do you feel the need to fight Tóyìn for anything because of somebody said ṣé ìgbà tó yàn tó náà ń jó ń pa tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣọ́ dárúkọ yìí ni mú ọ̀rọ̀ tamọ́ ẹ̀yin náà bá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yin náà ṣe gbogbo àdàbẹ̀ la support yín gbà ẹ̀kẹ́ bọ̀dá Kúnlé ó dàbẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ tí mo ti yóò gbà tẹ̀sọ́ because ọ̀rọ̀ yóò kò sọ sí ilé ẹnu kí n ti ní pẹ̀lú yọ̀tọ̀ òjò nísìnyí àǹtí ẹ̀ wá sọ the content láti ta fíìmù wọn the next thing for you is that she will still you in party and she will greet nígbà tí àwọn ará Twitter tó ń bú àǹtí tí wọ́n support the bat nígbà tí wọ́n lọ fọlọ́pàá mú ìkànnà ọ̀bẹ tí wọ́n roast àǹtí kí náà tó Fúnkẹ́ ṣe sí. You want people to fight your battles. Has she ever fought Toyin's battle? She wants your word. Level yeni. You nonsense oshiwo niyen. And now saw this lover posting that say, Funke, Toyin should stop greeting Funke. Alábòsí ni gbogbo yín. Alábòsí ni gbogbo yín. Tó bá jẹ́ pé àǹtí Toyin ló jókòó tí yàn kan kí tí wọ́n down. Reverse will be the case. What is bad is bad. Auntie Funke behaved like an animal in that place. Oda. Let's be factual. Ejo, continue ọ̀rọ̀.
Well, my own opinion. Not even my opinion. Let me share with you. You don't know the gravity of.
So that's
the thing. Must I talk to you? Must I talk to you?
You don't need to talk to her.
Exactly.
Salutation is not love. You don't need to talk to her. Hi.
There is freedom.
No, it is a must.
We have freedom of
movement. Bí àǹtí Tóyìn ṣe kí àǹtí Fúnkẹ́ ní èní. No. Àǹtí Fúnkẹ́ ò ṣe dáadáa.
Shori,
she didn't just
let me
good
just understand something.
Upstairs ni àti Tóyìn yìí náà ẹ kíyàn.
Tabatin judge ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká máa fi bí ẹni yẹn ṣe rí. Let's stop using sentiment to judge matters. Ká máa bí ẹni yẹn ṣe rí. No, me, I'm not a fan of all these people.
You are the one using sentiment because if you ọmọ Yoruba
I'm not a fan of Iyabo. I'm not a fan of Toyin. I'm not a fan of Shori.
Nobody's using sentiment. Ẹ̀yin lẹ fi sentiment.
Téèyàn bá ja ìjà tó bá yàn parí ẹ̀ gan. You can't say because you don't even know the conversation that happened between these two people.
They don't need to have conversations.
That is it.
It is not greeting. They don't need to love themselves to greet each other.
Okay, I don't want to greet you.
They don't need to. No, you don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. If you want, Sherry, any student is going to for you.
Forgetting that we're traditional, we are kinikon.
No, I don't agree to that. I can never agree to it. Along, me only ever agree to it. Even if you want to act like in that Boski, you want to act like níbi tí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn wà ṣó mọ̀ wípé wọ́n máa di ẹrù kan tí ò ń ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ lórí ni wọ́n máa
nígbà tó mọ̀ pé èmi àti ẹni score to settle even if they've settled.
No, ní score to settle and
no, hold on. Okay, even if they've
settled,
don't have
any score to settle. They don't have any score to settle. Auntie Funke should kindly fuck off. They don't have any score to settle.
They are waiting for Funke and Kini to see if they will greet. Why are you greeting me in front of people?
Wọ́n ti ń kíra wọn tẹ́lẹ̀, Sister Zainab, tẹ́ bá mọ̀ kẹ́ gbọ́ lẹ́nu. Wọ́n ti ń kíra wọn tẹ́lẹ̀. This is not the first time they are greeting each other. Àwọn èèyàn tó ń blame Tóyìn bí Tóyìn lọ kí á ti Funke. Wọ́n ti ń kíra wọn tẹ́lẹ̀.
Tọ́ba ti ń kíra wọn tẹ́lẹ̀. Is she the only person Funke did not answer this night? I want to know.
We don't care about only
why would we care? We should care. Maybe she's in another mood.
Sister Zainab. The video we saw online is that Auntie Funke did not greet Auntie Toyin.
Must I? Okay.
Ẹ̀yin wèrè dẹ́ sọ wípé na content. Auntie Toyin tí ò sínú fíìmù wọn lábàbá wọn ṣe content fíìmù wọn.
I don't get it.
It could be content. It could not be content. But
content actually is something that just happened.
And they say no. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ kíní kan fún yín.
Ṣori bóyá eléjú
tó bá wọn tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ kan fún yín.
Òrojú Jennifer ni. Bó ṣe lejú síbẹ̀ gan wà mọ̀ pé Ìyábọ̀ gan go and look at Iyabo's reaction. Go and look at Iyabo's reaction. If Iyabo knows that there is something, that's why she didn't say Funke didn't care. She should have mentioned it, but because she knows there must be something.
Auntie Iyabo, ẹ máa gbọ́ mi. Auntie Iyabo lè wà shocked.
Why we should? Please,
I don't know what to say again. If that is your take, is honorable fellow on mute.
Oh yeah, let me now come in.
Only for me.
Auntie Iyabo was shocked. To me, she wasn't.
She was not.
Something. She knew there was something. There is something, and all the while behind that camera, normal settle. But one thing I just want to follow you from Contesson Wipe. Kò sí nǹkan tí Tóyìn lè ṣe behind the camera, behind the scenes fún Funke. At least wá ti rántí pé camera wà níwájú ẹ. People are looking at you. Like she felt embarrassed níṣojú gbogbo èèyàn. Tí kì í dẹ̀ ń ṣóhun, that one alone ó ti pọ̀ jù. Mi ìmọ̀ kan tí Tóyìn ó possible. Èmi fi pé ó possible. I'm not sure. Maybe there is something.
Ẹ máa gbọ́ ní kọ́mẹ́ǹtì, ẹ máa gbọ́ wèrè kan tó tún ti kọ́mẹ́ǹtì. Ó sọ pé Iyabo is supposed to stand up for Tóyìn to sit down. Ṣọ́ṣe pé ó gbé yín lé ní. Tóyìn wà sí ìwọ̀n ni.
So ó lè wá nǹkan tí yẹ kí Funke ṣe ni pé okay kó tiẹ̀ pretend since yẹ pé pretend gangan ni foundation film wọ́n ṣe kíní kan wọ́n lọ gbogbo anybody love anybody ọjà everybody fẹ́ ta wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ make owó ara wọn ni. So Tóyìn ó máa kí Funke since yẹ pé wọ́n ti parí ìjà because mo mọ̀ pé Ìyábọ̀ parí ìjà fún there was a time tó ń set to matter yẹn so kò sí bó ṣe máa wá rí Funke láàrin party yẹn tó máa ignore ẹ̀ tí ò ní kí and that's Tóyìn for you ara Tóyìn ò balẹ̀ anywhere èmi àti Tóyìn ti jọ gbé I've spent like 3 weeks with Tóyìn nínú ilé ẹ̀ lọ́mọlẹ̀ same na my person so Tóyìn ò ń ṣe nǹkan tó máa rí ẹ tó máa mú ẹ sínú kò mú èèyàn sínú message kò sá.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wẹ̀ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí arábìnrin yìí àti àwọn tó ń jọ sọ̀rọ̀ sọ nípa òṣèrébìnrin Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé lórí ìwà tí ó hù sí òṣèrébìnrin akẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí Tóyìn Abraham ní ìvẹ́ǹtì yìí tí wọ́n lọ ní àìpẹ́ yìí èèyàn wa kí ni o tí ẹ lérò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí sọ o.
bí ó ti ń bínú sí ẹ tẹ́lẹ̀ tó bá rí ẹ ó máa ní bó ṣe máa attend sí ẹ that's Toyin for you and on the other hand Sharon àti Funke ti wọn àwọn